All right. I need help from you guys. I have a condition called intractable hiccups, where I have hiccups every day, all day long. They started like in December of 2022. And lasted for 11 months. I saw gastrologists, other doctors, and they've stretched my throat and enlarged my throat, thinking it was something like that, with GERD, and they ran a camera down and said there was a little bit of scarring from acid reflux, but everything looked fine. And so I had x-ray and MRIs to see if anything else is going on. They couldn't find anything. So right now, I have no idea what causes these. Like I said, I had them for 11 months straight, and they stopped in last year, like a couple of days before Thanksgiving, and then they just went away. I mean, I don't know. They just completely went away, and I was fine. And then they started back like 2 weeks ago, and it's really annoying because my job, I work for FedEx, and I have to interact with people talking like this, and it's really embarrassing. And I can't, and the only way I can stop them for like 20. I can get 20 minutes of not having hiccups if I gag myself. That's the only way. I have to stick my fingers down my throat and literally gag myself so I don't. So there's a nerve called a phonetic nerve. This is kind of like a switch that causes your diaphragm to make hiccups, but my diaphragm is right now I'm having spasms, which cause hiccups. And while I'm having those spasms, I can't talk, I can't breathe. And then if it happens for a long time, then I inhale air like I just like that, and it scares people. But people think that I have a stutter. I look like I have Tourette's, or I'm having a seizure, and I wish I could get answers, because this really sucks. I would not wish this on my worst enemy, having to live like this every freaking day. That's why I don't make one reason I don't make videos anymore, because of this condition. I've tried. They put me on all kinds of stomach medication. One was called Reglan, and it literally almost killed me. It made me have thoughts of impending doom, like I was the worst person in the world, and I couldn't do my job, and I felt like the world would be better off without me here. And I'm having these thoughts on top of these hiccups, and I had a full-blown panic attack at work, and it was so embarrassing because I had to call someone to come help me. But if you could share this video and tag some doctors that could help me, because I cannot live like this. This sucks so bad. Because when I gag myself, I throw up sometimes. I can't keep food down. I can't drink anything. If I drink too much, it makes them worse. And then, it really affects everything. And the weird thing is, I don't get them when I sleep. I don't hiccup when I sleep. Thank God, you know. Hiccups. It sounds funny, but it's not. It's not funny. But like I said, if you have this condition and you know something, or you know someone that can help me, please let me know. Please let me know. I appreciate everybody that watches my videos and that's, you know, supporting me and stuff. I know I would like to get back to doing more of that if I could. I mean, right now I'm just trying to get my just regular life. I just want to be freaking normal. Just freaking normal. That's it. I mean, I swear, I'd almost rather just lose an arm or something than have this. This is so irritating. My throat stays sore from me gouging myself trying to. I have no gag reflex. I've done it so much. It's scratching my throat, and I'm afraid all this stomach acid that I keep throwing up is going to like ruin my teeth or cause me to have cancer in the throat. I don't know, just ruin my. You see my voice is kind of raspy now. But like I say, please, if you know anybody, please. Thanks.